Hi, this is Vicki from DeMartini RV Sales, and this is my sister Amanda. And we're going to show you this new 2020 Thor Omni that we just got in. It's one of the first ones to make it to the West Coast. It's a brand new floor plan. I'll walk you through the exterior and Amanda's going to take you through the interior. All right, some of the features here on the exterior, we have these large mirrors, so you can pretty much see almost anything out here because you can extend these so far. They have defrost, and we also have, for what you can't see in those mirrors, you have some side cameras. So when you hit the blinker, your side camera will show this whole vision of the side of your coach in your rear view mirror. One of the biggest selling features on this coach is the power and the towing capacity. It's built on a Ford F550 chassis. It has a 6.7 liter PowerStroke turbo diesel engine, 330 horsepower and 750 pounds of torque. This gives you about 16,000 pounds of towing capacity. We've got some double door storage compartments here. This is a nice pass-through storage, so you can put large items like oars for your boat or anything that's long. You can put it through the top, passes through to the other side. Another feature is the frameless windows. And the good thing about that is the seals are underneath the window, so that's protected from sun and rain and all of the things that could damage the seal. And we have a second pass-through storage bay in the rear. Having two pass-through storage bays in a Class C coach is a lot of storage.
Welcome to the interior of the Thor Omni XG32. This is a really nice new floor plan we have. It has double slide outs here. There's a really large slide out on this side, and then also a bedroom slide out in the back. And if you come over here, there's some really nice theater seating with a booth dinette. So let's move over here to the kitchen. We have a induction cooktop, and we also have two burners on the other side. The kitchen has a Whirlpool refrigerator, a convection microwave, and it also has a tankless water heater. So coming into the bathroom, we have a really nice, very spacious, full bathroom. So on our way back into the bedroom, we have a really nice full bedroom slide out. Makes it really spacious in here. We also have a closet. So over here we have the control panel, and you can see settings, lighting, climate control, fans, and slide outs, all from this one unit.
The reason why you buy a motorhome is to enjoy the outdoors. So the times you're inside, you want to have a great view. In the Omni, you have a huge panoramic window with a cover that's automatic and can be closed with a push of a button.
Thank you for watching and touring the new Thor Omni XG32 with us. If you'd like our best price or more info, you can send us an email at sales@demartini.com or give us a call at 1-800-576-1921. Thanks for watching.